sitter. Make sure you listen to her.
Hi. You better be on your best behavior, young man. He's got a bad track record. You're now his third sitter. The other two quit.
Are you listening? If this doesn't work out with Kristen, we're just gonna have to send you to boarding school.
What? No way. I'm not going there. Well, you better be good then. Please, don't hesitate to call us for anything.
Don't worry. I do have a pretty special way with kids. I'm sure we'll be able to find some way to get him to listen.
Well, if you do, you'll have to teach me.
And me.
All right, well, here is $40 to order some food for the two of you.
Well, thank you.
Ready?
Oh, a few house rules. No shoes, no alcohol.
And please, no having any friends over.
Of course not. I totally understand.
Thank you. Okay, see you, Elijah. We'll be back around 10. Bye.
Bye.
What are you doing? You're not supposed to have your shoes on in the house. Is that alcohol? You can't be drinking.
Quiet, twerp. Now this is how it's gonna go. You're gonna do what I say, and we're not gonna have any problems. Got it?
I don't know who you think you're talking to.
Now you listen to me. You heard what your dad said. Unless you want to get shipped off to boarding school, you be quiet. Now sit down.
Yes, they're back. I'm telling you.
Wait, no. Give me one.
Who are you?
Is Kristen here? Hey, babe.
Hey, it's you. Come on in.
You can't have anyone here. My mom said no friends allowed.
Well, Chris isn't my friend. He's my boyfriend. Get lost.
But I said scram!
Should I take off my shoes?
No. This kid's parents have only been gone 3 minutes. He's already driving me crazy.
That sucks. Here you go. With an extra pump, just how you like it.
Thank you. You have no idea how badly I needed this. Wait. I have an idea. Even better.
Nice. Anyways, I just came here to bring you that. I gotta get going. Love you.
Wait, you wouldn't happen to have, anything a little bit harder than alcohol?
Not with me. But I do know where we can get some.
Perfect. I need something to hold me over while I watch this brat. Let's go.
Where are you going? You can't just leave me here by myself.
And why not?
If something happens to me, you know how much trouble you'll be in?
Fine. Do you have a cell phone?
No.
Give me your tablet.
Why?
I said give it to me or you're not coming with us.
Okay. What do you need it for anyway?
So you can't record anything. Parents told me how sneaky you are. Now, come on. I said come on.
Okay.
I don't see him. Where is he?
Should be here any second.
Can we get some food? I'm hungry. Shh. I don't want to